Hello everyone. The product vendor code AMP helps user to assign a unique vendor product name and a product code for each product and make it easier to track the product that a particular vendor supplier. On selecting a product on a purchase order, vendor product code will automatically be set in the order line. On changing the vendor product code will also get automatically changed. User can also see a vendor product code on the request for quotation and a purchase order PDF reports and can search the product using vendor product name and as well as the code. At first, let's start this by adding an access rights for a vendor product code. So for that, let me get into the settings. Under user and companies, let me get into the Mitchell admin. So user with the vendor product code access rights only can add an product vendor code on a purchase quotation. Now let's get into an inventory to create a new product. So for that, let me get into the inventory. Under products, we can see end products which are already created. To create a new one, we need to just click on the new option to create a new product. So let me get into the product which are already created. So from here, let me get into the office lamp. So in the product under purchase, we can see all the vendors that we have added for the specific product. There we can add an product name as well as the product code for each and every product. User needs to add an vendor product name as well as the code for specific vendor on the product. Now let's create an purchase order. So for that, let me get into the purchase and create a new one by using the new option. So from here, we need to select an vendor, and also user can use an search product within vendor code, that is on the request for quotation line. User can search a product with the product code. So for that, let me give a product code. So for example, the product code is an AMS. You can see of 001, which is an office lamp that we have created now. So by using the vendor, you can see a product code based on the vendor. On changing the vendor on the purchase order, so let's change the vendor. Yeah. By changing the vendor, the user can see the automatically changed product code on the order line. This also be affected in the print. So let me print a purchase order. So added product with the vendor product code will also get affected in the print of an RFQ as well as the purchase order. So from here you can see the product code will be changed in the product line. Okay, the product code will be changed in the order line as well. Like the same way, we have the search option. So for that, let me get into an inventory. Under products, we can see an search option which is available. Let me give a code right away here. So from here you can see an product code. Let me get into that. So based on the code that we have given, it automatically fetch the product which we have chosen here. Okay. Like the same way, we can search by using the product name. So for example, if it is a product name of the office chair, let me get into that. So from here you can see that office chair will be selected. You can see and vendor product name right away here. So in this way, we can make use of this module to assign a unique vendor product and a vendor product code to each and every product and make it easier to track the product that a particular vendor suppliers. Thank you for watching.